Hello my crafty friends, it's P. I'm here with a thrift store haul. I had a feeling I should go to the thrift store the other day, and I probably go once a month, maybe twice a month. But I had a feeling I should go, and I had a little bit of extra time, so I did. And I'm really glad I did. One of the things that I got was this star. And it's meant to be an ornament, I think, but I kind of put it in my cabinet, but it could fit on a tree because it's open here. But I just think it's really, really pretty, and it was $1.99. I went to Goodwill because that's all I have in the town that's closest to me. It's probably the priciest Goodwill around, so you really have to hunt. Some things I paid a little bit more for, but I'm happy with my finds. So that was the first thing that I got. The second thing I got was this. This is a metal sleigh, and it is quite heavy. I got this for my work. It is a really super cute piece. It needs to be cleaned, obviously. This was $4.99, I think, which is kind of pricey, but again, it's metal and very heavy. I think it held paper at one time, you know, like a memo thing. But that's okay. I can work with it, and I think it'll be really cute for one of my dolls. So I got that. I picked up this. This is a like a birch tree candle, and this was $2.99, which I think is a pretty good price, and it does work. And I've seen these somewhere recently, and I can't remember where, but I was really happy to have found that, and that it actually worked. I got this ornament, and this was $1. It's one of those mushroom ornaments. I just thought it was really cute. It looked like a little barn, and it has the snow and stuff on it, so, and glue globs, but that's okay. I can take care of those. So I just thought it was really cute, and we like rustic here, so kind of a farmhouse rustic look. So that'll go on the tree this year. This guy, oh, he's so cute. He's a little tea light holder, and I'll put an electric one in here. I love this guy. I like primitives. It's kind of what my work is. And I just thought he was super cute. He's probably missing something off the top, but that's okay. I just think he's adorable the way he is. And like I said, I really love the color of him. And he was $2.99, but he's in great shape. So I was quite happy with him. This was $2.49, and I was so excited to find this because I've seen similar at Home Goods, and this is in mint condition. It looks like it's brand new, and that was a great deal. So super excited. I'm probably going to put a little Christmas tree in that one. This is another piece that I got from my work. It's a dome and you know, crochet, and the little base. I will paint this. I'm not crazy about the gold, but it is heavy metal, and there's no chips or cracks on the glass. It does need to be cleaned, but it's super cute. I think it'll make a great display, and I really, really like it. And I think this was $4.99, which again is a little bit more than I normally like to pay, but it was in such great shape I splurged a little bit. This guy was $2. He's needing some paint, so I am going to give him some paint, but I think he's super cute. I just like his little shape, and his little face is super adorable, and yeah, so, but I will give him a paint job, and he will look fresh as new. So, and then I got this. Now this does need some help. It's missing a few little spots, but I have pine cones because I live in the woods. so that's not going to be a problem. Plus I have some of those cinnamon pine cones that I've kind of broke up a little bit, so I'll just use those and do the repair job. But I saw these a couple of years ago and they were like $8, I think. And it already has the bells on it. It's made out of cork. It's kind of rustic. I could hang it off the doorknob. I think it's super, super cute. I'll probably hang it off the craft room door because I like to have a little Christmas or holiday something in here. I usually put the mugs, you know, like in here with a little tree or something. So I'll probably hang this off my door. And after I repair this, and it was $1. So not bad. And then the last thing I got at the thrift store was this tree. I don't know if I can show you guys this or not. Whoop, without breaking other stuff. It's got like a birch look base to it, which I loved. I walked all over looking for a little snowy tree. I've seen these at Michael's. And this one was $7.99, but it's like probably a 1.5 foot little snow tree. I wanted a flock tree for my craft room, and I wanted something that looked, you know, rustic. She needs a little help in fluff, but that's okay. I've got some little ornaments I'm going to put on it, and it is going to go in the craft room. And then the last thing I picked up was at TJ Maxx. And I saw this and fell in love. I love Ray Dunn and have quite a collection of mugs. And I saw this little stocking that hangs on the wall, and it was $6.99. And I just thought it was so cute. I want to put some lamb's ear, which is one of my favorite plants. I actually grow it here, and because it's got history to it. Lamb's ear was actually used in the Civil War as a wound compress, and because I'm a history buff, I know things like that. Stupid information you don't really need, but you know, you never know. And it's just so soft, you know, and it's such a pretty plant. But anyway, I thought I'd put some lamb's ear and maybe some mistletoe or some holly in here. And, well, it says holly, so I'll have to add some holly somewhere. But I just thought it was really cute, and I might even make a little snowman to tuck in here. It just might be cute. So, and that is my thrift store haul, you guys. Nothing too spectacular, but I'm happy with the things that I picked up. And I hope you guys are having a great day. And I'll talk to you later. Make a happy memory. Bye-bye.